This week we are out in Namibia. We've come here with the DoucheBags crew to shoot a bunch of bags of their new range. Got a pretty stacked crew and some of the most unreal locations on the planet. Sweet bunch of activities lined up, and we're just gonna go full send straight into it. Woo! I thought it was a special place, but now I just, you know, sometimes this makes me look like a fucking douchebag, but at least we're on a douchebag shoot, right?
Right. Hey, you're an...
Oh, is that a 1D?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram, I need one.
Yeah, you need to hold, you're supposed to hold the 1D, and I'm supposed to film you with the Sony so everyone knows you're a content creator with the 1D.
Okay, ready?
Wait, we're gonna...
That was so stupid.
Oh my god. Shoot the outro here. Right, that's a wrap on the Namibian road trip. Big shout out to DoucheBags for having us come along. It's been
what an epic trip.
Pretty epic time. Go check out Marie and Jake's YouTube videos. How many videos are you doing from this trip?
We've got two
videos from this trip.
And Namibia.
And DoucheBags have a video, and Johnny has a video. I'll link everyone else's videos down below. Go check it out, it's pretty awesome. And I have the last limited edition douchebag here to give away to one of you guys. Only 500 ever made. If you want to get your hands on one of these, pretty epic as camera bags as well. All you gotta do is go... Okay, so due to some unforeseen circumstances, we had to change the plans of this giveaway. So if you would like to win this douchebag, all you have to do is subscribe to DoucheBags YouTube channel. That'll be linked in the description below. And then leave a comment on this video. And then next week, DoucheBags will look through all the comments on this video, pick a winner, and they will make sure that the comment or channel has subscribed to their YouTube channel, and you will win this douchebag. So, yeah. Be creative with the comments, and one of you guys will be very, very lucky to win this epic, epic bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in another video real soon.
Yeah!